Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Yeah!
I'm going to show you
a shout out and an unboxing. And here it is. It's from Native Tearz Garden and Outdoors. I was real happy to see that I won the drawing for this. It was some high-tech computer selection. How Pappy was drawn out of the computers, out of Dee's computer, Miss D. It's the 1000 sub giveaway for Native Tearz. So go on over and check out Miss D over Native Tearz. She'd be glad to have you. Oh my goodness. 1000 thank yous. And there's a note in here. I'll get to that in just a minute, because there is all kinds of stuff in here. Here's something here bound up with some tape. Look at this. See all that stuff in there? I don't know if she uses boxes from other things, but it looks like a folding coffee cup? I don't know. We'll see. This is kind of fun. This is just about like Christmas. Now that is a ferro rod handle right there. I'll bet you $1 to a donut. And isn't that a beauty? Wow. Check that out. Excellent. Very cool. Set that over there. So what happens when you win from Dee over there? She really goes all out. Congrats and thank you, says right here. And it looks to me like earphones with a retractable cable from Budweiser. So I got a set of earbuds. Budweiser earbuds. All right. I need those too, by the way. And here, yes, I believe is some fire starters. These will work really good with the ferro rod, throwing the spark out there. Dee does a real good job with that. I'll learn from her channel. Fatwood. All right. Thank you, Miss Dee. I'm just going to keep right on going here. Boy, you guys are jealous. If you're going to win something, you want to win it from Miss Dee's channel. Barbecue Delight. Smoke flavoring pellets for your grill. So this is an apple wood. Sprinkle these in your grill when you're grilling and get some of that smoked flavor. We'll give that a try when I fire up the grill this spring. Might even do a video on it. And this is Barbecue Delight Sugar Maple. Alright, so we've got some sugar maple flavoring, smoked flavoring. Wonderful. And this here, wonder what's in this little blue box. Oh boy. Stevia in the raw. 0 calorie sweetener. Some packets of that. And Nescafe Taster's Choice. Miss D must know that I like coffee. And there is a whole bunch of packages of coffee. And these would come in handy to pack away into a backpack if you wanted to go camping. And down here in the bottom, the reason I'm digging in here is I saw this nectar honey crystals in here. So some little sweeteners and some honey. There's some more Splenda sweeteners in there. She just went all out putting all this stuff together for Pappy, because Miss D has got a great channel. I've only been with her a few months, but I tell you what, I've watched every one of her videos ever since I subbed to her channel and rung the bell. So you'll want to do the same. I'll put her link in the description down below this video. Oh, Heat Factory, yes, these are little heat pads. They last 10 hours. And they're like hand warmers, or you can put them in your pocket. Those are nice. Thank you, Miss D. And this here is a credit card knife. I've got a video on this, on how to assemble the credit card knife. It's an old one. I did it probably, I don't know, 4 years ago. And this is really cool. And I want to keep this one together so that, because it's so handy and easy to pack away. Okay? But that's what that is, a credit card knife. Really cool. I'll put the link into my credit card knife video also. I think this is a piece of fat wood. Oh yeah, that's what that is, all right. You bet. And here is what I was thinking was a coffee cup. Morning blend. Founding Father coffee. That's what it is in here. Oh, how do we open her up? She circled something on here, so I'll go ahead and read it. Founding Fathers is dedicated to the mission of creating a superior tasting American-made products. Superior tasting American-made products that support our American military families. With 50% of our profits, we honor the men and women whose service and sacrifice continues to safeguard this great community. You bet. Thank all of our vets. My son's in the military. He's about a 20-year man now in the Army. And God bless him for his service and continuing the service that he does. I don't know, I'll just start cutting here. Oh, I see. They're little individual containers. Here we go, and here they are, coffee containers. And I am a coffee man. So I said I'd get back to this, right? Probably should have read this in the very beginning and then give me a clue on what all this is. So, okay, she has identified it. Zinnias. On here. Small sunflowers. Thank you so much. This really pleases me. Shows the love and support that's out there in the YouTube channels. And this is a little flag magnet. How cool is that? Some little footsies. I like the grape ones. They're my favorite. Dee must know me. Dee, you're a sweetheart. How did you know all of this about Pappy? And I have a sticker from Miss Dee. Channel sticker for your sticker board. All right, Miss Dee, I have your sticker right here. But now that I have another one, I'm a little extra special, I think. Okay, little note here from Miss Dee. Hello and thank you. Hope you enjoy the contents of your box. The ferro rod handles were turned by Jerry Hagerman, Jerry's WoodShop and Outdoors. I'll look up Jerry's WoodShop and Outdoors. I'm going to probably give him a sub, and I'll put the link to his channel down below this video. So look for his link also and check him out. They are finished by me. So Miss Dee has finished the ferro rod handle. Very nice, Miss Dee. Very nice indeed. Their seeds fire starter, the coffee donates to the veteran families. Magnets I made, some smoked pellets and more. Thank you so very much, Dee. And you can see right here it says 1,000 thank yous with Kilroy looking over the box. I used to do the Kilroy thing all the time when I was back in my high school days. So thank you very much, Miss Dee. That was a great giveaway. And look for Native Tearz in the description of this video. I'll put a link there, right there in the description. So check her out. It's a great outdoors channel. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.